Hello and welcome to your IELTS review video. In episode 14 today we're talking about tidiness. So let's get started. Now, when talking about tidiness, a simple question that would start this topic would you say you are a tidy person? Your basic answer would be, I think I'm moderately tidy. I try to keep things organized, but sometimes it gets a bit messy. But a far more advanced answer would be, I consider myself reasonably tidy. I make an effort to maintain order, though there are moments when things get a little bit messy. Question 2 would say something like this. Is your home very tidy? My home is generally tidy, but there are times when it gets a little cluttered. I strive to keep my home quite tidy, although occasionally clutter does accumulate. Another question could be, are you a tidy person at work, school, or at home? I try to be tidy at work and school, but at home I'm more relaxed about it. I make an effort to be tidy in all aspects of life, whether at work, school, or home. Question 4, how do you keep things tidy? I usually tidy up by putting things back where they belong and cleaning regularly. But a more advanced answer would be, my approach to staying tidy involves regularly organizing my belongings and ensuring everything has a designated place. Do you think it's possible for people to be tidy all the time? I think it's challenging to be tidy all the time due to our busy lives. While it's commendable goal, I believe being tidy at all times can be difficult due to the demands of modern life. Okay, so only 5 sample questions today. We're going to get straight on to the reading passage. And as always, they are to educate you more on the topic, to help you be more informed when coming to discuss this topic. Tidiness transcends mere aesthetics. It encompasses efficiency, mental peace, and even health. Numerous studies have highlighted the benefits of an organized environment, linking it to reduced stress levels, improved focus, and heightened productivity. A tidy space can foster a sense of control over one's surroundings, leading to a more positive outlook. Tidiness takes various forms, ranging from physical space to digital domains. Neatly arranged physical spaces contribute to a streamlined workflow and an inviting atmosphere. In a digital era, maintaining a clutter-free virtual environment is equally crucial. Organizing digital files, emails, and schedules can enhance efficiency and minimize the overwhelming feeling associated with digital clutter. Balancing tidiness with the realities of life's unpredictability allows for flexibility and a more sustainable approach. While the pursuit of tidiness is commendable, there is a fine line between healthy order and an obsessive quest for perfection. The pressure to maintain an impeccable appearance at all times can lead to unnecessary stress and anxiety. Cultural norms and traditions influence attitudes towards tidiness. Some cultures prioritize minimalism and tidy aesthetics, while others value a more lived-in and vibrant ambiance. Understanding and appreciating these differences can foster cross-cultural understanding and respect. Developing tidiness as a skill equips individuals to adapt and thrive in various environments, whether at work, school, or home. The journey towards tidiness is not a one-time achievement, rather it is a continuous process that evolves with life's phases. Right, I hope you found that informative. Next, we're going to go on to vocabulary and expressions, both used to enhance your IELTS score and hopefully your English proficiency in general. So you have ordinance, neatness, clutter, organization, chaos, aesthetics, efficiency, productivity, well-being, streamlined, digital clutter, obsession, perfectionism, lived-in ambiance, cross-cultural understandings, self-harmony, balance ebb and flow. Strive for tidiness, maintain order, create a clutter-free environment, foster a positive outlook. These are all words and phrases you can use, and I want you to use to make your IELTS score better. Today, paraphrasing exercises, you're lucky. There's only two, statements and descriptions. So how would you say tidiness goes beyond physical appearance? It impacts mental clarity and efficiency. You could say balancing tidiness and flexibility is essential for a sustainable approach. Or tidiness is not a destination, but an ongoing journey of modernization. Have a go at trying to say one of those things in your own words. And your last one, paraphrasing descriptions. I'll leave you to it. Thank you very much for watching.